G'day trainers, Beware the Bung here. Big day today, we've got some Champions Path pin boxes to open up. Now, pre-ordered these quite a while ago, so really looking forward to getting into them. We've got the Chichester box, which is the sword and the shield gym leaders. Turfield Stadium or Gym, which has Milo, which is my absolute favourite, and Hullberry Gym. So, straight into them. Such nice boxes, these ones, to be honest. Oh yeah, I love the pins in these, and the boxes themselves just are quite nice. Like, I've got a few that I want to just have kind of to look at because they just look so clean. But today we're gonna open them up because it's Champions Path and we're chasing a Charizard, so not gonna pull them inside the boxes. So let's go to my favourite first. Let's go the leaf green. See how we go. Oh, all right, you got your beautiful pin. Although it doesn't look the most beautiful, to be honest. Got a few scratches and whatnot on it, so it's a bit disappointing. Got lovely Eldegoss card. Seen a few of these with a beautiful swell. Unfortunately, ours didn't. There you go, everyone. Because I'm lovely. Righto. 3 packs. Next we have the water and the Hullberry. Got a beautiful Dreadnought. That is a really cool promo card, to be honest. Really like that one. Another badge. That one there's a lot nicer than the green one condition wise, anyway. Alright. 1, 2, 3. And finally, our last one. I'll open them ones up later. Can sit there for now. And 5 packs in this one, so, and obviously, yeah, 2 gym badges. Beautiful. I think these pins are really quite cool because they are the gym badges of the game, so. Alright, look at that. Thick. Let's get it. Champions Path. Now, of course, we are chasing 2 things today. We're chasing the Rainbow Rare Charizard, and also we're chasing the Shiny Charizard, which I'll put both of them up on the screen for you. So, if we're hitting either of them, we are having a good time. I'm trying to think what else would be really good, but for now we'll just go with them 2. All right, let's get it. There's our rare. Nickit, I didn't take it. Machop, Ekans, Swablu, Inkay, Ustenke, Energy, Charbok, Hop, Trainer Go Train, Pierre's, Trainer Go Train, Zygarde, Reverse Holo, and Altaria. Right. Start. Alright. Now, I believe we also are chasing the only gold card in their whole set, the Suspicious Food Tin. And surprisingly, I haven't really seen many people pull it. So, alright, Nickit, Inkay, Ustenke, Rollicole, Solizipede, Purloin, Leaf Energy, Beeb, Trainer Go Train, Absol, Rotombot, Trainer Go Train, Swablu Reverse, and Hatterene. Alright. And last night, was it? Night before, Friday night, I was in a auction with a chance to win some Champions Pass packs, and I did win, and I got 8 packs. Now, those who followed my Champions Path openings know that I've pulled the Dreadnought VMAX a couple of times. Well, guess what? Got it again. Fantastic card, but I would have loved it in Hyper Rare. So hopefully today we can maybe grab it. Team Yell Grunt, get out. Trainer Go Train. Hop, Trainer Go Train. Trubbish, that's rubbish. And a champion. Righto. Whew. First 3 packs. Nothing too exciting. 3 packs down. Not much to show. A lot of holos, a lot of double ups. It's really, you are chasing them Charizards. Alright. Because you go through and you see all the same kind of commons and rares every time. So, Vulpix, Machop, Rollicole, Kavana, Trainer, Go Train, Water Energy, Sonia, Trainer Go Train, Lipard, Trainer Go Train, oh, Reverse Fire, and a Galarian Obstagoon. Nice. Got the fire. Right. 4 packs down. And that is a complete... this will be the 5th, which will be the complete pin set. And nothing over a holo rare, which is probably just my luck, to be honest. I don't know, I just can't seem to get them big pulls all the time. But anyway, we try, we have fun. That's what it's about. Scraggy, Pokeball, Go Train, Laloon, Fire Energy, Sharpedo, Trainer Go Train, Hatterene, ooh, Reverse Hot. Oh my god. This is... what is going on? Just need a second. Woo! I mean, yes! Dreadnought VMAX. I don't know if anyone needs it. And I'm guessing everyone does. I've got them all. And no, they're not rainbows. They're not rainbows, they're just the normal ones. And yes, they're beautiful cards. But geez, I think 4 of them is enough. Don't you? Right, 4 of them I've got now. That will teach me to talk about it before we got cracking today. Alright. Of course it was going to happen. Inkay, Ustanke, Zigzagoon, Trubbish, that's rubbish. Trainer, Go Train, Solizipede, Energy, Malamar, Sharpedo, Charbok. Oh, geez, we're pulling some energies. Leaf Energy and a Machamp. Alright, so we've got 3 reverse energies and a Dreadnought V and hollows. Just quietly, I really like the reverse energies. I think I've said it before, but I'll say it again. Oh, come on. Why you play me like this? Alright, alright. Alright, Swablu, Kakuna, Pokeball, Trainer, Go Train, Machop, Hatena, Steel Energy, Rotom Bike, Trainer, Go Train, Sharpedo, Pierre's, Trainer, Go Train, Reverse Kakuna, and a Professor's Research, which I believe I might need. So, yes, it's a hollow. It's not one I need. Well, it is one I need, sorry. Yes. Alright. A Rolly-Collie, Machop, Solizipede, Trainer, Go Train, Weedle, Steel Energy, Pokemon Center Lady, Trainer, Go Train, Victini, Pokeball Reverse, I won't throw that. Hey, now, that is different. We got the full cake going there. Alcreme VMAX. Very nice. Haven't got that one yet, so there we go. Here we go. We're on the winners list now. 3 packs to go, though. 3 packs to go. Whew. Alcreme VMAX, the cake, birthday cake. Which reminds me, it is my birthday coming up. So hopefully I've got a nice birthday opening. I know I've got some stuff in the mail, so hopefully that arrives and we can crack into that. Alright, Laloon, Scraggy Boys, Rolly-Collie, Nickit, Ekans, Energy, Sonia, Trainer, Go Train, Trainer, Go Train, Sharpedo, Hyper Potion. Hey, now we are on. All right, Gardevoir VMAX. There we go. Woo. Now this is turning out to be an opener. Now, boom, boom, boom. 3 beautiful VMAX cards. I'll tell you what, the thing about Champions Path that is great is that they absolutely nailed their VMAX cards. Like, they are all beautiful cards. What hurts a little bit is that I haven't got any in Rainbow. They all seem to be coming out just regular, which, you know, I won't complain about because you actually get to see them in their usual form. But talking of Pokemon's in their not usual form, I would really like to see a Charizard in a black form. That would make me very happy. Scraggy Boys. Fighting. Oh, come on. Suspicious Food Tin. That's the trainer card for the gold, so let's hope for some gold. Trainer Go Train, Scraggy Boys Reverse, and Ulterior. Alright, yeah, lucky last. Final CP. Well, it looks pretty gloomy earlier, but it's shaped up to be not too bad in my opinion. A couple of VMAXs is very nice, so regardless, we are happy. Solizipede, Trainer Go Train, Weedle, Kakuna, Kavana, Energy, Trainer Go Train with the Great Ball, Absol, Victini, ooh, reverse, Suspicious Food Tin. Oh, I think someone is absolutely kidding. Alchemy VMAX. Alright, that's it. No more Beware the Bung. I am going to be known as the VMAX King. 4 VMAXs. Very good opening. At the end of the day, 4 VMAXs is sensational for an opening, so I'm not going to complain about that. Guys, hope you enjoy. Thank you very much. This is not it for Champions Path. I know I keep pulling Dreadnought VMAXs and apparently birthday cake, but this is not it for it. I really want to pull that Shiny Zard. I think that's the card I want most. So we're going to keep it going. So everyone, trainers, you be you. Ooh, I'll be me. You be you. I'm Beware the Bung. Catch ya. Hey trainers, just one more thing. Can you please consider subscribing to my channel? Keep you updated on all the past videos, all the future videos, and just keep you in the loop on what Beware the Bung's up to. Give this video a like if you enjoyed yourself. I know I certainly did. Until next time, catch ya. Thanks all.